Hello everyone. Oh my god, I didn't make this kind of video from a while, like having TikTok. So I'm at work in my PJs and I was just like chilling a bit and thinking about what I'm gonna do. I guess I'm gonna pick up my my MacBook. I have a MacBook now, so I can work. So I have video to edit. So yeah, I really want to sleep, but I'm not too sleepy, so I really love my hair color. Like, my god. And now I can see it's like dark burgundy and going to kind of a light burgundy on the ends. That's because I have like a kind of a brown color in highlight color before I dye it red. That's why it's two colors, but I really like the final result. Now it's a long story, another video will be on for it, but anyway. So recently I just if you follow me from a while, you know that I moved social media. I moved Facebook and Instagram in a point. I moved like Telegram, and like I just left WhatsApp because I needed to use it for what was that? For the phone, right? Yep. I wanted to use it for work and to chat with mom. So I deleted WhatsApp and then I downloaded it again, and then I downloaded Instagram again because it's linked to my YouTube, and I downloaded Telegram like really recently because I wanted to send like kind of a large files. But I don't talk to anyone on Telegram, so like it's like nothing to me. I had TikTok, but I don't use TikTok like scrolling endlessly like people do. Sometimes I just go to TikTok because I want to make some fun videos on it, just like search for like filters and like quizzes and all this stuff and just do it, and then I just like close it, like don't do anything, just like go for a specific target and come out. And Instagram is the only thing actually that I sometimes scroll through the timeline to see some stuff. But recently I wanted to like use it for my benefit, like add more positive energy and more positive thoughts. So what I do on Instagram, actually I begin to follow kind of some of the like accounts for motivation and positive energy and positive vibes and all this stuff, and Instagram began to send me more of these like accounts or pages to follow. So it's kind of like the algorithm of the Instagram, they know that I love this kind of posts, so they begin to show more of them. So when I go to my Instagram account, I don't see a lot of posts stuff. I just see a lot of like positive things, positive thoughts, good energy, good vibes, like all these beautiful and peaceful things on Instagram. So if I want to have some fun, like, or have some time, like I want to like empty my mind from all the stuff that I in and want to like have some inspiration, I go to Instagram now and I have a lot of positive energy on it. So I feel like I'm not wasting my time like before. Of course, sometimes it's wasted for sure, but it's not wasted in a bad thing. It's just like, I will not say it's wasted, just like I'm chilling and having some time with myself, and in the same time I see a lot of positive energy, a lot of positive vibes, and maybe some thoughts that inspire me to do something different, or like a quote like change something in me. I love this kind of stuff, so this is what I'm doing right now. So I'm using now social media to my benefit, not like I'm controlling social media at a level, not let it all like control me like all the time. So it's like it's a good thing and a bad thing at the same time. So it's like a double knife. If you use it for your benefit and you know how to use it right, it will give you a lot of value, a lot of peace, and a lot of motivation and good vibe. And if you don't know how to use it right, it will give you the positive, all the positive, waste your time, waste your energy, like drain you and all this stuff. So it's kind of a training yourself, because we we easily get like stuck up in all this shit that happening around us right now. There's a lot of bad things happening around, and we focus on it, and as we focus on the bad things, we increase its energy, we increase these bad things in our life and how we see it. It's like, for example, I don't follow news anymore. I used to at the beginning of the recent war, but now I don't, and I don't want to know anything about it. I didn't follow the Russian-Ukrainian war, and I don't follow it at all. I used to follow the Palestinian-Israeli war because it's next door, but now I don't follow it anymore because I feel like it really affects my energy and drain me a lot. And as I begin to focus on myself, my life began to be way better actually, and that really helps to increase the positive energy and peace in the world. So we need to focus on this stuff more than focusing on the negative stuff like war stuff and what's happening in Sudan and all this stuff. I know the headlines, but I don't know the details, and I don't want to know the details. I just like pray for them and pray for all innocent people and all souls, no matter what they are, everywhere. No one deserves to be killed. No one deserves to go in this bad thing and this bad energy all around us, everywhere. We need to focus more on good energy and peace, more than focusing on war and killing and all destruction that's happening. We need to focus more on peace, and we need to do that by focusing on our own peace inside. It will start from the inside and will begin to spread all around. That's a very important thing. So I guess we need to focus more on ourselves and to be happy, like in simple things, to enjoy every moment and to be peaceful in our own skin, and that will reflect to the like everything around us, because we all are connected. So as we focus more on ourselves, that will really help to reduce everything. So we focus on the good thing, so we give that energy, and don't focus on the bad things. Like it's just like it's not exist, and that will drain energy from it to the good side, and this will really help to like finish every struggle actually, or help to at least help to make it less and less every day. But actually, as we focus on these stuff all the time, it just increases its energy and accelerates to wrong level. That's not cool. So that's what I'm doing, and that's what I'm trying to do with my social media. I started that from like 3 months ago, and you have no idea how happy I am, how like centered and more focused on myself and my peace and being happy, enjoying every moment. And I really feel this, and when I feel myself begin to drift back to my old self again, I begin to notice that very quickly, more than ever. Like it's really good, and that because I really isolate myself from all the bad things happening and begin to focus on my own well-being and to be good, to be better every day. Focus on myself. Really, I can see that in every aspect of my life. I can see that in the faces of the people that I deal with every day. I can see that everywhere, and I can feel it in my heart. I feel it inside me. I feel it around me in my energy. It's completely different thing. So that's my advice. If you need to use social media, just try to use it mindfully and like choose what you want to see. It's all in your hands. Like the phone that in my hand right now, it's in my hand, so it's mine. I can use it whatever I want. Don't let anyone control what you see or read or hear. You control it. You have everything online. You have the good and the bad and the worst and the best. So it's your choice to choose what you want to nourish yourself, what you want to feed yourself. It's your choice, no one else's. So yeah, that's what I want to talk about. And so again, my hair, beautiful. I love it so much. And yeah, I see you soon, guys, and I really hope this is helpful. And Happy New Year. I feel it's completely different year this time. Like I feel that every year, but this year is way different. I feel it in my gut from months ago and still feel it, and it's just like increasing every single day. So I hope you can feel the same for you, and I wish you the best in the next year. In this year, it's beyond the next year now. I wish you the best of the best of the best, and I wish you to find your own peace and happiness if you didn't. And I wish you be happy and enjoy every moment, because life is short. Like, no matter how old are you, even you are 1,000 years old, still short. So enjoy every moment, enjoy every single moment, enjoy every feeling, enjoy everything. And when you focus on this moment, your life will change completely. It's just a practice, just like a muscle. Keep practicing, and when you reach that, you will know what I mean. And I'm still practicing, and every time I feel like going in this moment more and more, I feel like it's a different feeling every time. So I love you so much, and Happy New Year. Wish you the best. Bye.